woman has not even paid the debt. Hey. So all these people have not paid their debt. They are still owing me. Even a D organ. I will collect them my money. I will collect them my money. How can somebody marry for 10 good years and a woman is hiding something from him? Why? I have to call and ask her why it's so. Honey!
Yes, baby.
Honey!
Yes, I'm coming. Called me. Yes.
That baby you called. If you call me baby, what will you call your child? Now return the honey immediately.
Calm down now, honey. Honey.
That's my only tone. Honey?
Yes, baby.
Why I called you is that there's this particular thing that you have been hiding from me. They from me that you have been keeping secret.
Honey, what is it? What's that?
No, the thing disturbed me. Oh. You see, I am always the one in this house. I used to mess. You have never messed for once for me. So it's a serious matter.
Honey. Honey, mess.
Is that why you're laughing so ridiculously like this? It's not a laughing matter.
I know that.
I am very serious.
What is laughing matter? It seems you do usually forget things a lot. Honey, you remember that day you told me that beans water is smelling in the house? Come on, baby. It was me that messed up.
What do we hear this?
Come on, I didn't even start to tell you, don't it like this? Wait, let me get another one. Daddy, you said that rotten egg was smelling around. That was your wife's syntax.
The impact of your... You mean...
Come on.
That was the impact of your mess?
Yes. That was even... come on now. And another one. Daddy, you told me that rat was smelling inside his house. Around the house. It was me.
No. You mean even that rat one was your mess?
Which one are you acting like this?
Jesus is Lord.
Wait, which one are you acting like this? You asked me.
No, honey, listen. The all those smells here in this house, even with the last one rat, it was your mess.
No.
Please. If that is how your mess used to smell, please continue hiding it from me.
Daddy, Mommy, so this is what people are doing in this house. I'm packing Melo to my uncle's side.
Your mother will follow you.
I'm tired of your mess. Your mess with kill fish for water.
Even me too. Hey, so all this while I'm marrying messing wife. Hey.